Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create subdomain in Hostinger. So let's see how we can do it. So first of all, you need to log into your Hostinger H panel. Here you will see the hosting option. Click on manage next to your web hosting. And here you will see all the settings for your web hosting. Now from the left menu, we are going to click on domains and then click on subdomains from here. We can create unlimited subdomains for our main domain. Here are the subdomains that I have already created. Now to create our new subdomain, at first we are going to add the name of our subdomain. So I have added the name for my subdomain, and next to it we will see the domain for which we are creating our subdomain. If you have multiple domains on your web hosting, then you can choose one from here. Now if you want to create a custom folder for your subdomain, just click on this checkbox, enter the name of your custom folder here and then click on create. And in this way your subdomain will be created with the custom folder. Now if you want to install WordPress or any other CMS on your domain, from the left menu scroll down and click on website, click on auto installer from here. And now from here you can select WordPress, WooCommerce, Joomla or other CMS. If you want to install WordPress, just select WordPress from here, enter your website title and credentials, click on advanced, select your subdomain from here. After that click on next, and in this way WordPress will be installed on your subdomain. So this is how you can create subdomain in Hostinger. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.